last video, we created year-wise calendar. Now we are gonna specifically pick the month and then create a calendar of any given year. And all you need to do is that once again, the format is same. You need to go to File, New, and you can type the any calendar and have enter, and you get a different thing. This is for the year one, but we need a month one, right? So for example, the one which is this is also nice. Let's say you will be able to add year and month and all that. This looks if you wanted to add some notes, you will be able to do it, right? So let's go ahead and create uh, the the family photo calendar in a year. So let's go ahead and do it. And it has given that whether you want to start with Sunday, Monday, or what. So let's say we wanted wish to start with the Monday. So now this has given this template, so you can see the different fonts you will be able to add, or if you wanted to add any notes of your own, you will be able to do, or if you wanted to add the image, a table or anything, you will be able to do that, right? This is one format. Another format, let's pick it up. And again, we'll do the same thing. What we'll do, we'll just put any calendar here. And let's go ahead and pick the next one, which is my favorite. So you can find it here, right? So, and then you will be able to add the horizontal calendar. So Jan, again, once again, you will be able to add the month, everything. And you can start from Monday all the way to Saturday. And if you don't want this one, you can, of course, you can delete this entire row, and you will be able to customize, and you will be able to add the notes, different notes and all that you will be able to do it. This is also another format. And again, if you wanted to change the fonts, how we did it in the previous one, you'll be able to do that also here also as well, right? And I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, comment, channel. You have a wonderful day.